Our top story now. Donald Trump has warned of potential death and destruction if he faces criminal charges. Former president posted the message on his social media platform Truth Social. The comments came hours after prosecutors probing the case said that they would not be intimidated by him. Donald Trump claimed that consequences for what he called a false charge could be catastrophic for the United States. Remember, New York prosecutors, they're investigating hush money payment allegedly made by Trump to porn star Stormy Daniels back in 2006. Daniels said she received the money in exchange for keeping silence about a sexual encounter with Trump. But Trump has denied having an affair with Daniels and called the case as politically motivated. Top Democrat Hakeem Jeffries says that Trump's rhetoric may get someone killed.
Well, the twice impeached former president's rhetoric is reckless, reprehensible, and irresponsible. It's dangerous, and if he keeps it up, he's going to get someone killed. We've already seen the consequences of incitement from the former president.
Earlier, prosecutor Alvin Bragg's office called out Republican lawmakers' right to investigate his office. In fact, the prosecutor claimed that Congress committee's request for documents of the case was an unlawful incursion into New York sovereignty. The Manhattan grand jury probing Trump's case is not going to reconvene until next week. Now, this ongoing case is just one of the legal woes faced by a former President Donald Trump. Investigation into Trump's attempts to overturn his election defeat in Georgia is underway as well. Moreover, a federal special counsel is investigating both his attempts to overturn his loss and the removal of classified documents from the White House after he left office. However, Trump has vowed to continue his campaign to become the Republican nominee for the 2024 presidential election. He is scheduled to do a campaign rally in Texas on Saturday. For more on this, our correspondent Susan Tehrani has sent us this report from New York. Listen in.
It's hard to imagine that those that believe that this indictment story is a political witch hunt would think that it was a good idea for the former president to post a picture of himself holding a baseball bat to the picture of Alvin Bragg on his social media site, Truth Social. While the picture may bring in some campaign money and get some press, it's very unlikely that it will win any votes. While law enforcement officials have been planning for some sort of indictment this week, the jury heard Trump-related evidence only one day, and there is no indication that the jurors were asked to vote or not. And while it's not uncommon for jurors to not meet on specified dates because of all the rumors surrounding this particular case, many believed and speculated that things were happening behind the scene. However, those indications could not be verified. Meanwhile, that white powder addressed to quote-unquote Alvin at the Manhattan DA's office was found to be non-hazardous. However, it does raise alarms nonetheless. Susan Tehrani reporting from New York for WION World is One.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.